The topic of today's video is how to buy Bitcoin in the Gemini app. So here we are on Gemini, and what we want to do is click on the bottom trade button. In here, you'll click on the first option, which is buy crypto. From there, we want to select our asset, so that'll be Bitcoin. And in this next screen, we want to put in the amount of Bitcoin we want to purchase. We then want to click on the button that says Instant. And from here, we can select if we want to buy crypto right now at the current market price, or set a limit. So we only buy crypto once that limit is reached, or set a reoccurring payment to buy Bitcoin automatically. From there, we need to click on payment method, click on debit card. And from here, we need to put in our name, card number, expiration date, all of your banking details pretty much, as well as your billing address, and hit submit. Once you're done there, it'll take you to a review screen where it'll show you all the fees involved. If this is your first time adding your card, it may want to do a verification. So it will do a verification on a small amount of cash in your card, which won't be deducted, by the way. And that is pretty much all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.